The CAS team are made up of highly motivated individuals experienced in the use of common tower systems on numerous projects around the world. Many city centre projects face challenges involving space, crane availability and cladding installation. A CAS Common Tower provides the solution to these issues. A large, high-rise tower under construction may require, for example, 6 hoists to provide an adequate flow of personnel and materials to the various work faces. 6 hoist cars directly serving the building face would normally require up to 15 metres of cladding to be left off the face of the building. A standard size common tower is 5 metres by 5 metres in plan, and the 3 open elevations can accommodate 6 hoists, requiring a single 3-metre wide opening into the building. This concentration of hoisting in one area from a single CAS common tower allows cladding to be completed around the whole of the building facade, except the small access point from the common tower. This minimises the floor area, which is obstructed by access routes for personnel and materials. In addition, these access routes can be closed around the hoist tower ties, allowing for the fit-out of the lower floors to be completed as construction proceeds at the upper levels. This results in accelerated construction programs and earlier handover of completed sections of the building.